Welcome to day 4 of the 100 days of growth. Today we're going to talk about a topic I called the myth of I'm not ready yet. Most people say things like, a lot of us say it, I'm very guilty of it as well. I'm not ready yet. Oh, I don't think I'm ready for this. Oh, I don't think the time is right. But if you look at it, it's just fear clothed as I'm not ready yet in disguise. Now, most times many of us would not like to agree that, oh, I'm not afraid. But if you look at it deeply, it's just fear. All the excuses, all the I don't think it's time, all the I don't have the right resources, all of the I don't have the right laptop, I don't have the right connections, I don't think I'm the right candidate for this job, I don't think I'm the perfect fit. If you look at it, underneath is the fear of not willing to start. But the truth is, you'll never get to even a 10 if you don't make an attempt. Because what makes progress happen is not desire. If you have desire, then you need to put in the right action. Action is what changes the game. So the whole idea of, oh, I don't think I'm ready yet. How about making little efforts? Most times, what we feel like we are not ready about yet is just an illusion that we create in our mind, all because we have little information. So because you feel like, oh, this thing sounds too big. For instance, somebody says, oh, I want to go into AI development, but you don't really have so much idea about what AI development is all about, and you just say like, oh, AI development feels too big, I don't think I'm good enough for AI development. Well, you probably might have all the resources you already need to go into AI development, but somehow, because you've not taken your time to research, you are stuck in I'm not ready yet. So sometimes all you even need to do to get started is to get the right information. And when you get the right information, you feel like, oh, this is even a lot more easier than I thought it was, or than I expected it to be, because many times the enemy of progress is a wrong information. So you feel like this thing is a lot more difficult than I think. And we've had those experiences many times in our life. You attempt something for the first time and you feel like, oh, so this is how easy it is actually. But because your mind was just clothed in, oh, I feel like this thing is hard, you let the fear cloud your mind and you stay back. You don't make progress. So stop holding yourself back. Before you even say, I'm not ready yet, make your cost, right? Do the right research. What do I need? If that in itself is progress, right? You may say, okay, this is what I need, this is what I have to get. Now I don't have these things, what can I do? What are the alternatives I can go for? Because there are always alternatives, trust me. You just have not found them. And when you find those alternatives, you start working in those parts. You can start on the manual route, and then you go full scale with the gadgets, the devices, or whatever you need. Most of us started learning how to code with our phones, no laptops. There are a lot of people I know that started learning how to code on paper. They didn't even use their phones to learn. So the excuse, the fear, the illusion that we create just holds us back. But how about taking little steps, little progress, little actions? And before you know it, everything compounds and it changes the whole game. I believe you learned something today, and I believe you go out and start taking little actions towards your desired goal. Thank you for joining me today.